Face it, when you're a website owner, things happen. Sometimes you just need to debug, reset, or straight up nuke parts of your website and start from scratch. WordPress peeps, whether you need to introduce a new website, block a malicious plugin, or gain access to your site after a worst case scenario disaster, then you better stay tuned for today's product showcase. How's it going, Sumalings? It's your girl Christy here from AppSumo. And today I can't wait to tell you about WP Reset, a tool that helps you build and repair WordPress sites faster by letting you collectively install plugins and themes, reset what and when needed, and create snapshots effortlessly. Before I show you this website saving tool, make sure you're subscribed to AppSumo's YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. All right, let's get into it. First, I want to quickly show you the WP Reset web app. The dashboard is a centralized area where you can control all of your clients' licenses and sites. From here, you can activate additional features like white label and download your snapshots and collections, which we'll get into in just a minute. The magic really happens in the plugin. Once you've gone ahead and activated that in WordPress, you're ready to give WP Reset's tools a try. WP Reset features a whole index of tools aimed at resetting, deleting, and cleaning up various parts of your WordPress site. Each tool comes with a detailed explanation of what it does. And don't worry, you can't accidentally deploy a tool. WP Reset will request your confirmation to use any tool, and the nuclear site reset even comes with a double confirm. Plus, WP Reset always lets you create a snapshot to capture the current state of things and revert to it if you need to. Just head over to the Snapshots tab and select the version you want to restore. There are user snapshots and auto snapshots, which WP Reset make before any major event occurs, like when a plugin or theme is activated, updated, or deactivated. And a pro tip, snapshots can be uploaded to the cloud if you want to free up some space locally. WP Reset also has collections, which is great for collecting your trusted and most reliable plugins and themes to activate them on any site with a single click. Before you ask, yep, these collections can be shared between sites and licenses. And last up, I want to show you the emergency recovery script, which is literally for any worst case scenario, like hackers and evil plugins and the white screen of death. Oh my. You can run the script by simply uploading it to your WordPress folder. It is not dependent on any other WordPress files. It will scan your core files for added and modified ones and make appropriate changes on its own. And if there's a plugin you need to deactivate, you can do that here. Say goodbye to manually reinstalling websites or cleaning up digital messes. From launching websites to totally nuking them, WP Reset has your back and all of your WordPress website needs. WP Reset also